questions. Tapos, first you introduce. Can I have your name po?
I'm Rose Sharil Esteban Glory.
The systems position.
And senior systems analyst in IL.
Insular. So, here's our first question is, what are the tasks or roles of the systems analyst in the company?
Basically, kasi project-based kami. Pwede kong
Okay, yes.
Project-based kami. So, pag dumating yung business requirement from the user, we do analysis and then the design of the project. We analyze kung ano yung mga kailangan nila, reports, the system itself, kung ano yung mga kailangan i-provide dun sa users. And then, we do data gathering. We also do yung mga, kung ano yung, kung saan mga fields, kaya yung mga kukuhanin yung mga requirements, so yung part ng data gathering. And also yung design, program design. Meron din maintenance task. For example, yung mga existing systems na. So, may mga changes. May mga changes doon sa requirements. So, for example, kung nagkaroon sila ng kailangang data field na dapat ilagay doon sa sistema na wala sa existing. So, mga ganun. And then, meron din exception reports. We handle exception reports. When we say exception reports, it could be production errors dun sa program, mga bugs, or iba yung mga values na nilalabas ng system dun sa expected. So, yun din we handle with that.
So, of all the roles, which one is the most challenging, or which ones are the most challenging to perform?
Challenging. Mas masarap gumawa ng sarili mo, syempre, yung sistema,
Yeah,
diba?
yes.
From scratch, you have all the liberty to do everything from kung anong style mo, masusunod mo. But the challenge is yung existing system first. Kasi hindi ikaw yung gumawa nun, so you have to analyze bakit niya ginawa yung, bakit ganito yung codes na
so it's like you're the one who's adjusting.
No, yes. That is where the challenge is. And also, syempre din sa program development from the scratch, it's also a challenge para efficient yung program mo, efficient yung system mo, and also yung mabilis din siya na tumakbo para hindi naman sa operational.
So for our next question, are there specific process or steps that you take in performing those tasks? Any common steps that you do?
Nag-umpisa kasi yun sa yung, diba, familiar naman kayo din sa program development life cycle. It starts with a user change request where the user will give you the requirements, and then sa amin we give the user design. The user design would simply say, or these are the requirements based on our understanding. Parang kukuha ka ng user design sign off. So para yung, di ba, yung may user change request sila, yung interpretation namin ng requirements nila, yun yung user design. And then kung nagtatali or ganun yung kailangan nila, so they would sign it off. And then after that, we do the technical design. Technical design, dun ka na magkagawa ng flowchart and everything, pati yung database, i-design mo yun. And then, sometimes we have yung technical design review.
Can you please explain?
Technical design review, you have to present your design sa change review board. So we have that that is composed of our division head, the technical, and then yung mga managers. So ipipresent mo sa kanila yung design ng system mo. And then parang may defense ka. Ayun. So yun yung technical design review. And then after that, yung program development. Yung technical design review, sometimes dadaan ka doon, pero hindi siya yung lagi. Minsan nire-request nila pagka yung system na gagawin mo is parang mataas o malaki yung impact on other systems. So, ganun. And then yung program development itself, where you would create the technical design, technical specs, and then i-discuss mo sa programmer mo, and then yung programmer mo yung mag-code nun. After nun, you see programmer mo would do the unit testing, and then ikaw as SA, you would do the systems testing overall yun. And then after that, you will pass it to the users for user acceptance testing, and then they will do the sign-off.
What does sign-off mean?
Sign-off means that the requirements they have given are met. If in case na meron silang findings, we'll go through again yung dun sa program and correct yung. And then once the sign-off, when na-sign off na, you are ready for production implementation. After the production implementation, meron, siyempre, may mga, doon nangyayari yung mga bugs, may mga bugs doon sa program, makikita ng mga users, and then yung mga exception reports. So, pagtapos ng ikot ulit, ganun yun.
So, that's why it's called decided.
Yes.
So, for our next question, what are the goals and objectives that you aim or strive to achieve?
The goals.
Yes.
Siyempre, bukod doon sa ma-meet mo yung requirements ng users,
Yes.
it should be error-free, it should be efficient, and it should be fast yung sistema na gagawin.
So, next. What are the requirements in order to qualify for your profession?
Systems and
Yes.
Meron silang requirement for an SA1 kasi for my position is a senior systems analyst. So I've been in Solar. I started in Solar as a programmer, and then after 2 years of experience, analyst programmer, you can be promoted to SA1. And then, syempre yung mga language proficiency, kung ano yung mga ginagamit na language. And then, syempre, yung meron ding systems analysis design training. Meron din dun sa database, relational database kasi kami. So, yung mga ganun.
So, of all of those requirements, is there a requirement that has the utmost importance? For example, is it necessary to be good at programming in order to qualify?
Programming, basically kasi logic kasi ang importante,
Yes.
di ba? Kapag may logic ka, kahit na anong program or kahit na anong software language yun, pwede mong gawin. Yung syntax naman is not that important na alam mo siya. Ang importante is yung logic and how would you design and how would you analyze yung
kayo po yung bahala din sa language na ano.
Yes. Pero right now, we're using the COBOL.
Yes, yes.
COBOL, and then meron din kaming Visual Basic. Some of us are using yung Power Builder and yung iba internet na kasi iba-iba kasi kaming hinahawakan. Ako, I am handling administrator, yun yung main system namin, which is developed in COBOL, using COBOL, CICS. Binili yung package na yun from Chicago, Illinois, and then kami yung nag-maintain. And some of the teams are sila naman dun sa finance, mga disbursement of receivables, sila yung nag-handle noon. So, Power Builder yung ginagamit nila. And yung iba, yung documentations naman, and then meron din nag-handle sa internet.
So, sa isang system analyst po ba, kailangan may isa rin pong programmer? Parang isang systems analyst, isang programmer?
Ideally, yes. But if you lack yung wala kang programmer, wala kang choice kung hindi gawin yan, di ba? Pero right now, swerte kami kasi meron kami 4 na programmer, analyst programmer na handle ngayon. Pero meron dumaan din naman doon sa one-man team ka. Ikaw yung analyst, ikaw yung programmer, ikaw din minsan yung project leader. So, one-man team ka. Sa ibang bansa kasi, di ba, ideal sila na kapag SA ka, may programmer ka hinahawakan. Pero minsan, pagka yung kapos ka sa tao, talagang ikaw yun.
So, next question. Should systems analysts be good leaders in order to be considered qualified?
Yes.
So, leadership skills.
Good leader, syempre may leadership skills ka. Kailangan yung tao mo, you know how to handle your people. Not only yung para yung sabihin na yung nagdidikta ka lang ng sasabihin ng gagawin nila. You have yung relationship nyo good, dapat maganda yun kasi yung hindi ka lang nasusundin kasi ikaw yung amo niya. Kung hindi, susundin ka niya kasi may respeto siya sa'yo kasi alam mo yung ginagawa mo at saka yung may tiwala siya sa'yo na hindi mo rin siya ilalagay.
So next, is time a necessary time po?
Dagdag ko lang doon
yes.
sa pagiging leader. Kasi pagka yung nasa SSA ka na, so meron kang management work, meron ka din technical work. So, you have to know how to handle those things. And basically kasi habang tumataas ka ng ladder, lumiliit dapat yung technical work mo. So, pero nandun pa din siya. So, you have to know how to delegate those tasks.
So next, is time a necessary resource needed in being a systems analyst? Yung oras po, does it take a lot of time to make a project?
Depende. Depende kasi sa requirement ng user. Kung halimbawang sabihin niya kailangan niya na ng sistema na yon next month. So, wala kang choice kung hindi i-meet yung requirement na yon. Kasi, halimbawa for us, meron kasi mga product launching sa insurance. So, pag na-delay yun, that would mean mas mauuna